So Bradley is doing a sound test in the bathroom, and he decided to have a little fun. Say hi. You hear this fool?
Poppin' it.
Well, he's breathing on the track. That's what. So, I seem to have created a monster.
Yeah. He's doing a pretty good job though with his ad libs and everything. It's better than 2 Chainz.
This is a sound check, okay?
It's pretty good.
Oh God. I'm about to bust in on him in there.
I am your father.
I am your father.
Like for heaven. Chris Tucker.
Oh my God, that was hilarious. Oh, Bradley, I'm putting this video on Facebook. I just want you to know that World Star Hip Hop, okay, all day. How does that make you feel?